Hi everyone, it's me Alicia, and for today I will be sharing with you guys another Halora try on haul. Thank you so much Halora for sending me all of these pieces, and I'm so excited to try everything out and show it to you guys. And this video is gonna be a little bit different compared to my previous Halora hauls because Halora is going to be having a Black Friday sale and you can save so much. And Halora's products are already so affordable, plus they're inclusive and they range from casual wear, active wear, they even have bridesmaid dresses. Literally anything that you would want in a shop, Halora has you covered. And you guys know how much I love Halora. Whether you follow me on Instagram or not, by the way, shameless plug, it's Alice Roma. And also for all of my other social media handles, such as my TikTok, my Pinterest, and also here on YouTube. On Instagram, I always share them in my stories, not even just on posts, but my stories because when I have nothing to wear or when I feel like I have nothing to wear, I stick to Halara because their basics are such good quality. They hold up in the wash and they're just great. And that's why I love them so much. Anyway, this top is actually from Halara as well. This is from their new line. This is a bodysuit and this one is one of my favorites. And this is actually part of today's try on haul. This is another color of the paint blue denim pants that I wore in my previous video. And if you guys saw that video, you would know how much I love those because I've worn those a few times already. And this one, I just got it in another color because I really love it. It's just so comfy and so easy to throw on when you don't have anything to wear or when you don't want to think about what to wear. This has belt loops. This also has a zipper and button closure here. And it has four pockets, two at the back and two at the front right here. And stay tuned because at the end of the video, I will be sharing with you my top 10 favorites from Halora. And this is definitely one of them, these jeans. And because they are having a Black Friday sale, this is definitely your chance to score their amazing pieces and also get them for a much cheaper price. Additionally, this is my coupon code. It's Alice15 or Alicia015, so you can save a lot more off of your Halara items. And of course, all of the product links that I will be showing in today's video, I'll be putting the information in the description box down below. For size reference, I usually wear an XS from Halara and I am 5'3". So this is the next top that I got from Halara. This is actually a yoga top. I really like this and I've been eyeing this for a while, but I didn't get it just yet because I didn't know how it would look. But I actually really like this. And it also has built-in padding. So you don't need to worry about that, especially if you're working out and you don't want to wear an undergarment. Back looks like this. It's very pretty. I think it's just a simple, nice tank top or yoga top. What I like most about this is actually the lace design. I just think it's very pretty and feminine. Yeah, I just really like it and I'm glad I got it now. And I can actually use this with like, cardigans also. I've been thinking about wearing this to the beach, like parang beachy top, it's kind of giving that vibe for me. So that's probably where I would use it. Like imagine this with a maxi skirt or a Halara skirt. They have so many to choose from. So let's try on the next top. Next up, we have this very pretty top. I was actually torn with this in two colors. Meron ng parang like faded pink color. It was barely mauve, I think. But look at this. Okay, you see it? It's so pretty. I think the design speaks for itself. Plus, the padding is so nice kasi this is backless. So, obviously, you don't want to have to worry if you're working out. But it has removable padding. So, if you don't want the padding, you can actually take it off. But it just adds extra support and coverage. So, I really love that. Kasi I don't want that hassle. It's just too much for me to have to think about that. So, Halara just makes it so much easier. So like you can't even find an excuse not to work out because Halara is already doing everything for you and you'll look cute while working out. So let's move on to the next piece. Next, we have this very pretty peach dress. I think this is adorable and it's definitely outside of my comfort zone because this is the first time that I've tried a bubble skirt design. So it feels new to me, but I wanted to explore a little bit more because I feel like I've been staying safe lately just because of what I've been doing, like for school and work. Honestly, I still don't know how to feel about a bubble skirt, but this is very pretty. Like, ayan na naman tayo, like, we're going back to the ballerina cupcake. I don't know why I'm at that phase, like, or if it's even a phase, because, like, if you saw my Instagram, I've just posted this, and it reminded me of my outfits when I was a kid. And now this silhouette is reminding me of that as well. So I guess trends are coming back because bubble skirts have been a trend for a while now. It's an elevated version of the trend. A disclaimer though, this does not have shorts, like built-in shorts, compared to other active dresses from Halara, but it's not a problem because it's not very short. I can still wear my cyclings under it, and Halara actually has some shorts on their website, so I can just wear that with it. So this next top, if you have seen my previous try-on hauls, this might be a bit familiar. This is the same top that I got before, but I got it in color white, so I just got it now in black, and I love this. Parang ang ano lang kasi, like, ang easy lang na gamitin. And yeah, I got it in a darker color para hindi madumihin like sa hands. I'm really happy with this. Like, I don't even know what else to say because it already speaks a lot. The fact that I got it in another color. From when I tried on the color white, I wanted the color black so bad because it's so nice. Like, look here. This is very comfortable. It doesn't dig into your hand. And this zipper right here is adjustable so you can pull it up or you can bring it down. Like, it's perfect for everyday running errands, like activewear, a jog maybe. It's the perfect length. Like, dito talaga siya sa belly button. And that's like the type of crop that I love. Like, just right here. It just hits the right spot. Really love it. So that's why I got it in another color. Oh, and speaking of other colors, I may have gotten this same sweater in three colors, as you can see here. So, yeah, let's try that on. All three of them. The maroon, I got the black and the white because I was so sure that I was gonna love them. And let me show you because I promise they won't disappoint. Okay, is this familiar? Yes, I've worn this already on Instagram and I've posted about it. And that's what I was referring to earlier, na parang princess core kind of vibe. But oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. This is definitely one of my top 10. I mean, I know it's simple, pero it's like really classy. Kasi the asymmetrical design, first of all, I love that. That's one of my favorite things. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it suits me also, and it has a bit of a ruch detail here. So if you want, you can actually like move it naman. Parang like this, you know? If you wanted to. It might look a little off, pero hindi naman. I just feel like it's the perfect balance of cute, but like may appeal, you know? Is it in maroon? I love this color. It is so pretty. Parang it just adds a different element with the color. So I feel like even though they're basically the same, the different colors just add a different vibe. And this is it in black. It's very pretty. Once again, they actually have this in indigo, but I did not go overboard because I didn't want to like get so much. Although that would be a nice color, I would say. I already have it in black, so I'm pretty satisfied with this. Cause like imagine you're in a library or you're studying. It's simple, but it's still sophisticated. You still look stylish, which I think it's just so chic. Tapos bagay siya for any age. Like, I think it really would be. I think it's such a chic and timeless style. Let's move on to the last two pieces that we have. And comment down below which one was your favorite, the cream one, the red one, or the black one, and which one would you get? This is so cute. Like, when I saw this on website, I was already like shocked. Like, I was already imagining myself wearing it. I just don't like anything with big printed logos. Like, the name of their brand. Like, usually, I don't wear stuff like that. I don't know why. I think it's just a personal preference, but I really do avoid that. But anyway, I have nothing against it. So if you like that, that's your preference. Yung sa akin lang, I just don't like it for me. But this is so pretty. Like, it's just the right type na oversized na fit. And it's color pink. What I love about this is the fact that it's white, so it fits well for everyone. Like, Halara's branding is dark green, like forest green. So I was actually surprised that their merch was this color. Pero if they had it in forest green, I would still love it. But this is so cute. Like, the white color is so nice. Parang ang clean lang tingnan. And the merch logo here, it's pink. And it's embroidered. Like, it's not printed lang. And the back, so cute. Look, it says Halara. It's printed, I think. Pero it has embroidery here also. When I study, I just feel like this would be nice. So I would be cozy. I'm so happy they released this. So I can proudly show off that I'm a Halara girly at heart. These pants, I have this already in another color in my previous video in a lighter wash. Oh, was it? Maybe not in my previous video on my Instagram though. I'll put it up on the screen here so you can see. This is actually a size medium, so I sized up twice because Laura's size chart is very accurate. I got this based off my hip measurement. So it is a little longer. This is already in the petite version. Syempre mahaba siya. Of course, it's long because I didn't get it in my actual size, because if this was an XS, it would be the perfect length. But I did get it to be a medium, so it would fit here. Kasi this is high-waisted, so it's giving Y2K. That was the vibe that I was going for with it, so I really love this. It has 2 pockets at the front and also 2 at the back. So I just got this for the vibe. And I can get it altered anyway, but this is also part of their flex denim collection. So I intentionally got it in a bigger size just because I already knew what the high-waisted looks like. But yeah, if you guys want to get it high-waisted though, I would recommend that you get it in your regular size. So let me know which one was your favorite for this try-on haul. And once again, all of the product links will be in the description box down below. And now let's move on to my Halara top 10 favorites. Disclaimer, this top 10 list is literally just the tip of the iceberg because I have so many Halara pieces that I love and continue to use after years because of their quality and because they hold up so well in the wash, and also because their styles are timeless and suitable for so many occasions. So this is literally just the tip of the iceberg, and by the tip of the iceberg, I mean that this is everything that I could get a hold of that isn't in the wash, because all of the pieces that I love from Halara, which is the majority, if not all, they are in the wash right now because I wear them all the time. I wear Halara all the time, and I really am happy to be collaborating with them once again. So just a disclaimer, but I would never recommend something that I do not love to you guys. And in case you have any questions, just feel free to comment them down below. If you want to ask what are my top skirts that I love from them, maybe the tops that I would recommend, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help you guys and guide you with choosing your items from Halara. Thank you so much again, Halara, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you like this one and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!